am social media so be and me friend Zara or wakona na mama brand ho wako my chain akọ granny interviews akese a work all can say a year na Agradaa first no ye sesi ade oye evangelist mama part na first edin na ye friend what na asone nti ye friend na Agradaa ye friend tender wo ye edro ye sikedro ye niema hodro na baba wa Zara say a ye mama part na say Agradaa echiri gold bi efri nsem no wokeka mama Agradaa say ensem na ye Zara ekeka ni nyina no enye nokre na say Zara say ni din asesi ade emre bi okoda prison 14 days no eye Zara babontin be kai say eye Agradaa aban ho asoma memu abi di acid abegu ni nsuo ma ne bade ne nsa hye ma ne nsa ne ba ne nsa nyina atete ankrofo ye na doye emma ne sika kona na mama brown ankrofo seni sika enti mama Agradaa se wonim sa asem no because asem ne sie no na wono odafi ase na kire se abayu ede eye Agradaa din eye de disika anasa agige nkrofo hu sika enti mama Agradaa ababontin anasa evangelist mama party say ababontin se girl no wan sorry enjira ne nice so a girl no be fa ne ho age nkrofo sika enti wo be hu ne lawyer na what the girl no ama lawyers anasa wasiu no na wajai service ankwase ade na wo de ono evangelist mama party edin eye no ma yentie mama party
pretty story ne man ho be ye mopo na wanya sympathy na nkofo send ska na de abre no Mr. Koso okonya ska bebre ye ko high diamond bebre ye mani sika bebre obi anim ofi wa no asako another platform. There was a time oko on my channel oko I stand to be corrected because me when the video be anomo on my channel Emma on my cranberry active wo ho say mami ya mo se wo de acid akogu nsuo mu no mami odam enti edien mami no ehi no fire a wo de acid akogu nsuo mu na sa story no de bible on say me de acid akogu nsuo mu no pato momo love no so sabre no anya ta momo koye demonstration no sabre no ya bra ne manya problem a because ya ne ya chim ya na me dem for 40 something days ababa we ba bonten e be gina simpie so ka che o my god e wiase say me de acid akogu ni nsuo mu ama ne bansa asai o de fa hu gigiska recently ya no okotsana na mama brown tv so oko ewe hwan vandam jebe so wo so am blocking no mo blocking because onya na je so be comporting no mo blocking no voter vandam mo blocking voter vandam mo blocking no freje me so I'm blocking no on the cronko page no so no nyini free you know so I ain't kan nya asasem o say it's true you have corrected her good matter you do court you do police station emra no will prove it Me say I am not here to beg anybody to believe me or not. A drew baby so one no to be family kwan so a drew baby also me de be family kwan so for the police to help her because me kaisa oko ochinoko program so amo mani sika sandi ni pakunde so ko ni pakono no ye mani sika e mani free. Oh, Yamani Sika also give it to her. And then me call the demon person me call gidi. Now quite say I am attacking her, me attacking her. Because me dini bejina merano. Me dini bejina merano. Seka me blood impoa. I will sell my blood to take action with that girl. Enough is enough. Also it is true. If not take action. And no more trouble. I will report this girl to the police. That is the criminal side. Is the police. Ultimately, metina bonten enyusu obi mami awa bobra edin to flood people. She is using it. She is using it to take money from people because everybody will believe you. Or you so Agradaa Jimmy Gold, you know, and she is trying to use it to flood people, taking money from people. I will put stop to it. Also, Mama, I support you. I will put stop to this nonsense. Enough is enough. Ochina no jina kosua ho, ochina no jina kwaku ho, ochina no jina why ho. And I am not doing this, I'm not taking this action because wakwa man krado ho. Eyemre aso tini nyame man krado akwa trigger ne de na ba. Say this is the time I wasn't me taking action. The legal action and the criminal action. The criminal side is the police and the legal side is courts. Because it's a more kind of simple the deformation of character. And this girl has been deformed me into different cases. She is claiming that I have taken her gold. And here number one. And she is claiming that say me the acid aba begu ensuomu ama obinsa apro. Ayaniama mienu. Ayaniama mienu. And I'm going to face this girl for boot to boot. And nobody should come out and tell me say, oh yeah, mobo, enfa. Because obetina media no so ekai, you know. Some of you believe what she is saying. Ebimu jidi one of muni munyansa no they do the analysis no omu dwi hunu say o say mama part please today don't speak I say don't speak there e kompo abusia I say don't speak English what must say ebimu some of you people believe this story. I don't know this girl anywhere. And I am still stating, I say you have to defend yourself in courts. Yes. Yes, of course. Yes, of course. I'm doing this video for my followers and my loved ones. To tell them, say, Sarah good, you know, enough is enough. I checked almost 5 good years. And this girl has been trying to use wajimi good, and or not the penny or didn't making money from people. I will not sit down for you, this useless girl, to use my name to fraud people. Agradaa Jimmy good. Na grofo ma uska. Na ebimo high nine. I am dead because anytime you come out, no. You got a sympathy from people. Na omudi cheuska. It's why I just say, ube you su mi dino, and ye chasa and mguasian trono, and ya tomeso. And then I'll start to you. I have given you the rope. Mamawa homanoa, but this 2024. I am giving you from today, tomorrow is Tuesday, I'm giving you 2 days. For you to come out, nipa wane wotena se plane ye. Come out and tell Ghanaians something. Come and speak the truth. I'm giving you 2 days. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. I'm giving you 2 days. Tena se. Also, it's about a time to legal action. Yes, Joe Black. God bless you so much. I am giving her 2 days for her to come out and speak the truth. Because me, Sam Guasena will go me for 5 good years, you know. Madam, who need that? Or say arrest her. And I'm not arrest her. I will report the case to the police. And the police will know what to do. I was someone arresting that they will know, they know the law. And after that, I will sue her. I will sue her. And I have 2 cases because I do gold. Second one is also with the acid, and who alleges must prove. Meme na way. What me catch am say meme ma ko hia baby akogye wade. Ah. Ade na akwala ketua wama wuti wama bonyoma okra aye bonyoma. Because who can't try and yaoshe, who can't draw senya for so free into ayawde, me donya me kamesi kodoma ni adaka. Say a tina was semino, Ade faso a wanya free ho no obebo saa kana chen faso a wanya free me ho wanya free me din ho me ka no kwa che Sarah
Patricia kasa utum se we de o kasa na ni abre pa na utum se we de Evangelist ba wa party mitum hu se we nu anya no kra because se ne na ne obi kasa na ni abre a we wo mu se ma me na ni adin de but we de ye be hwehwem update bia ye de bebro makra